In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect two Bose Soundlink speakers. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can easily set up Soundlink for your Bose speakers. Soundlink allows you to play the same audio track between multiple Bose speakers. You can either use one of them as left and right channels, or use them in party mode, where like I said, they will play the exact same track at the same volume. So in order to set up Soundlink, we will be using the shortcut button. However, this will not be enabled by default, so you will have to download the Bose mobile app. Make sure that you download the application and you connect your speakers to the app. It is intuitive and simple to do. So download the app, follow the instructions, and once the first one is connected, go over to the shortcut options here, and you will be able to enable the shortcut button. Press the programmable shortcut button on the speaker to use your shortcut. What you have to do is enable it and make sure that speaker link is selected. So if you have the voice assistant or other things selected as a shortcut, make sure that you switch it over to speaker link. When you do this for both of these speakers, you are good to go. Make sure that there are no obstructions between them, so only empty space, and ideally that they are between 30 feet of each other. This will give you the best possible results. So all that you have to do now is press the shortcut button on the first one. So press this for a few seconds until you see this LED flash. You don't have to press it for too long. Now it will start trying to pair up with the alternative speaker. With this done, go over to the other speaker and press the exact same shortcut button. As long as they were set up properly within the application, they will be able to communicate between themselves and it will be set up. If you are using two speakers of the same model, by default they will be stereo, so one of them will be the left channel and one of them will be the right. But if you press the button once again, they will switch into party mode, which I assume is what most people are looking for. So make sure that you set them accordingly and you will be able to use the Soundlink feature. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect two Bose Soundlink speakers. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.